Hello, welcome to the Extending Job End Date video series. This is the 5th video in a 5-part series. This video has been produced by the Central Resource Unit Training and Communications team. To access this video, along with other training resources, visit our website at centralresourceunit.ucla.edu. The Administrator tab has buttons for you to access popular features such as job aids, tracker I-9 information, and trending articles. You can also use the search field to find resources. Type in Extending Expected Job End Date Training Guide to find the resource material that accompanies this video series. Feel free to print it out or download it to follow along with the examples. Please note, materials are updated regularly, so be sure you have the most current version if you are printing them out. This video is part 5 in a 5-part series. In this video, we will explain how to extend a job end date using the Mass PayPath template. If you are extending the job end date for multiple employees, you can use the Mass PayPath template to complete the transaction. Use the Mass Update for WFA Changes batch file located on the UCPath SharePoint site. Refer to the UCPath job aid, complete the CSV file template for PayPath actions for detailed instructions on using the template. Important, this video only addresses how to complete the file for extending job end dates. Let's review how to access the template. From the Central Resource Unit website, centralresourceunit.ucla.edu, type in Mass Template into the search field. Select the article, How to Find Mass Template. Scroll down to the Mass PayPath section. Click the link to the UCPath SharePoint site. Log in with your single sign-on information. Click on the name of the file for Mass Update for WFA Changes batch file. Note, the Excel file will open in Excel Online. Click the ellipses icon or the 3 periods to download the file. Click the Enable Editing button to start entering the data in the file. Let's review how to complete the Mass template for extending the job end date. Insert a row in the template for each employee that you want to update under the Job Data Header row, that is to say, Record Identifier 200. Do not edit or delete the header rows. Verify the record identifier 200 is entered at the beginning and end of each data row. Do not copy and paste, as the system will not recognize the entry. In the Empl ID field, enter the employee's UCPath employee ID. In the Empl record field, enter the applicable job record for the employee. Go to the employee's job data to locate the applicable job record as necessary. In the effective date field, enter the date as mm/dd/YYYY. To edit the formatting, select the column field. Right-click and select Format Cells. Click the Custom option and enter mm/dd/YYYY. Click OK to apply the format. The date in this field can be a future date, but you cannot enter a date that exceeds the employee's current expected job end date. For example, if the employee's current expected job end date is June 30th, 2020, the effective date must be on or before June 29th, 2020. In the Action field, enter DTA. In the Action Reason field, enter EXT. In the Expected End Date field, enter the date as mm/dd/YYYY. This will update the expected job end date. Update the formatting by selecting the column fields. Right-click and select Format Cells. Click the Custom option and select mm/dd/YYYY. The next field to enter data is the Auto End Flag field. If the employee is in a staff position, this field can be left blank. If the employee is in an academic position, enter Y to set the End Job Automatically field on job data as necessary. Lastly, enter 200 at the end of each row. Do not copy and paste, as the system will not recognize the entry. Copy all the rows in the Excel spreadsheet by clicking the Worksheet button. Click Paste Special Values to ensure there are no formulas in the spreadsheet. Save the file as an Excel file and use the appropriate naming convention with the date at the end of the file name. The naming convention is business unit _ E081 _ Mass Update PayPath _ YYYYMMDD. In this example, we would label this file LACMP _ E081 _ Mass Update PayPath _ 2020-0220. To submit the template, create a case with the Central Resource Unit, or CRU, and attach the Excel file to the case. At this time, CRU is responsible for converting the file to a comma-separated value, or CSV file, and uploading it to UCPath. Important: data integrity is the responsibility of the department submitting the file. CRU does not review files for accuracy, they only upload them to UCPath. Let's review how to submit the case. Go to the CRU website at centralresourceunit.ucla.edu. From the About Us menu, click the Contact Us link. Click Open a Case Online. Select CRU Service Request Form, HR Admin. You may be prompted to enter your single sign-on. In the Information Requested section, select the Mass PayPath topic. For employment type, select the appropriate option. Enter your information in the employee ID details. In the subject, type Mass PayPath Extend Job End Date. In the description, provide necessary details for the transaction. Note, all Mass PayPath transactions require pre-approval, as they do not go through the approval or AWE process. Select the Click Here to Provide Attachments checkbox and attach the Excel file to the case. Let's review what we've learned. If you are extending the job end date for multiple employees, you can use the Mass PayPath template to complete the transaction. The effective date must be prior to the existing expected job end date. Submit the file to CRU by creating a case and attach the Excel file for processing in UCPath. Data integrity is the responsibility of the department submitting the file. Have questions? You can contact us by opening a case or calling our client services team. Feel free to pause the video to write down the contact details. For questions and requests specifically related to UCPath or Tracker training, please email crew-training@finance.ucla.edu. Thank you for watching this training video.